Welcome to the Cleanster Pro app, a new and improved way for cleaning professionals to connect with clients. Here's how you can manage your cleaning business with Cleanster Pro. You might be operating your business without an automated system or management app. Here is how you can invite your clients and co-cleaners to a single platform. Start by clicking the More tab. Here, you'll see two options: My Customers and Co-Cleaners. Under My Customers, you will see the option to invite customers at the bottom. Use an email address, then click Invite. You can see all your invited customers and if they have accepted the invite. Under Co-Cleaners, you will see all your invited co-cleaners, the status of the invite, and the option to invite more cleaners. Use an email address, then click Invite. This is a great feature if you're operating a cleaning business with multiple cleaners. We hope this video was helpful in getting you started with the Cleanster Pro app. If you require further assistance, please visit www.cleanster.com.